Hi, thank you for being here. I guess you are here today is because you are looking at how you can escape the corporate environment that you're involved in. Having been there myself, I can relate to what you're actually experiencing. I wanted to do this video to share with you on my journey and to invite you to an opportunity in how I might be able to help you move from the corporate environment you're involved in to living your life on your own terms. After I left my stressful hospitality management job overseas, and on returning home to Melbourne, I stumbled on the six-figure mentors. I signed up for the free workshops and started to reskill and retrain myself to build this business from scratch in all aspects of online digital business. We have a dedicated community that supports each other, providing mentorship to those who would like to build their own digital business. Initially, I was skeptical and unsure where this would take me, but as I started the training, my skepticism soon melted away. I have to say, it was life-changing. The training is world-class. Everything you need, whether you wanted to promote your own business or learn how to make money online, you have it all at the one place. This has given me back the freedom of time, and I'm now able to spend this time with the people I love. I can now choose where and when to work, as long as I have my laptop and an internet connection. You too could live this lifestyle if you are willing to learn new things. As the founder Stuart Ross explained, anyone with the right mindset could create their own online business from scratch. It is now my mission to share these insights with you so you too can learn to start and grow your own profitable business and live the lifestyle you love. I am very passionate about helping others to succeed, but I have to remind you, starting your own business requires a lot of dedication and energy to become successful. It also comes with a lot of challenges and obstacles, which will at times overwhelm you. But it is rewarding, as you will have freedom of time and a life of fulfillment.